So I picked a game I really, really, really liked when I was growing up. Castlevania Symphony of the Night. This is a game that I played a lot as a kid and as a teenager. Um, I've greatly loved this game. Oh, hey. Looks like I already have a save game from a while ago. Whatever. Let's see. I'll just use this. I'll go with the same name because I am that awesome. And also not creative. H. It's just so good. Sorry. Journey back to 1972 and the thingy. Oh, I forgot there was an opening movie. Wow, this is kinda loud. Oh well, I'll deal. You know, for a PS1 game, they did the water really well. Love the fog effect too. The soundtrack of this game has always been and always will be just so fucking amazing. Anyway, let me just quiet down and let this shit play out, alright? Now, I have to admit, this is the first Castlevania game I played. I hadn't played any of the older ones, and so when I go back and try to play the old ones, I really can't. This music gets me every time. Alright, time to do the boring shit and grab a bunch of hearts for my holy cross when I, well, beat Dracula. I had something witty I was going to say and then I just completely forgot it. I need to stop trying to be witty and just fucking play the damn game. So, why I'm doing this is I want to try and beat Dracula without using Maria. Because if I do that, Alucard's stats are better, I think. Or that's the rumor, anyway. It's what I got told, you know, it's what the guide I used to have said. I had one of those old pen and paper guides. Well, not pen and paper, listen to me. Old printed guides. I bought it from Blockbuster when I rented the game, or my mom did for me. I didn't have any money. I was a small child. So anyway, the guide said that if I can manage to beat Derpula without dying, and having Maria come in and make me super invulnerable, invincible, I get better stats. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry for this. I know this is boring. I ain't what y'all came for. Not at all, but this is how I play. Well, now, anyway. I'm trying to think the last time I played this game, really. I was... I don't remember. High school? No. Honest to God, I can't remember when the last time I played this game was. Oh well. And here comes the iconic scene.
Die, monster! You don't belong in this world.
So many memes.
It was not by my hand that I'm once again given flesh. I was called here by humans who wish to pay me tribute.
Tribute? You steal men's souls and make them your slaves.
Perhaps the same could be said of all religions.
Your words are as empty as your soul. Mankind ill needs a savior such as you.
What is a man?
Smash.
A miserable little pile of secrets.
The
But
best
enough
opening
talk.
lines. How about you? I'm gonna kick his ass. You think you're tough shit? Eat a cross. I noticed that holy water's there, but the cross is so much better. I just... Ow. Oh wait, no, that didn't actually hit me. Excellent. Ah, yeah. Okay. Jump! Ah. Yeah! I can't believe I'm actually doing this without taking a hit. And of course I say that and I immediately get hit in the face with a fireball. Fuck me. I didn't get close enough. Hup. I'll take it. I'll take the hit for that. He's almost done. Playtime's over. Oh yeah. Holy cross! This is so busticated. Just are those? Oh my God! The crosses are 3D rendered. Who'd have thought? I completely forgot about that. Let me just bap, bap.
No.
No.
It cannot be.
I love this cool effect, the paper on fire and everything. It's, ah. And the thing you didn't get to see is if you lose all your health, Maria comes in. It's like, Richter, grab your strength, and she does some spell thing, and all these Zodiac dudes come flying off, and you become completely invincible and rainbow colored. But like something bad happened later in the game because of it. I think it's you have shittier stats or something. So there's that. Now, something I'm going to try to do compared to how I used to play is I know of the spells now that Alucard gets. I just have to remember how to do them, because when I was younger, I didn't use them at all. Well, no, I can't say that. I didn't learn about them until much later in the game. But I found their inputs super hard, and so I went through the game without using magic at all. But even with my advanced knowledge and having played this game a bunch of times, I'm still not going to look up a guide for it. I'm going to try and do this shit based off of memory. And while that probably won't end well, I'm going to have a hell of a fun with it. Hell of a fun with it. God damn it. I still can't not trip over my words. Castlevania. That organ. That organ's so good. Well, let's see here. I'll play with the now loading sign. Woo! Here we go. The opening to the rest of the game. The opening to the rest of the game. Jesus. That couldn't be more awkward if I tried. Alright, so shield. That's the backtrack. Can I do a... No, I can spam the hell out of that, though. Oh, hell! Oh. Bitches. That poor pupper. Okay, so... he just... Oh! There's one! It's kind of weak, though. Let me try if I can do another one. Nope, that's that thing again. Oh, hey! Oh. Oh, yeah! Oh, fuck, I thought the game was frozen. I was about to just cry. There's at least... Oh, god damn it. Zombies! There's at least... Oh, no. How do I... I know there's... Oh, I leveled up. Cool. Oh, shit. Fuck you guys. Grr. Oh, those things are technically wargs? No, I was hoping there'd be floor chicken. Oh well. Oh, fishmen. And then there's bats. Yeah. Level up. Now, oh no, I missed something. There's a chichin in here, or not chicken pot roast. Wait, no. Oh, well, there's the dark metamorphosis, but shit, my jump button stopped working. What the? How am I? Fuck. Well, I guess I gotta stop here. I know some of my spells now. That's a start. That's a start. I need to learn to be less awkward. Stick with me, guys. We'll get through this. So, you know, you guys are welcome back anytime. Come, stay, play around a little, check out my other videos, and remember, enjoy yourselves.